Alright, yo. Mark's about to open in 4 minutes. My bias going into today was actually standard deviation came in line with last this buy side liquidity above here. But we also have this like 6-hour order block. I'm thinking actually the 8-hour order block. So we reacted off it there with news as well. Reacted off it lower. We actually want to see we're actually in a pretty big market maker sell model, you could say. So let's actually mark this out. So actually this will be the original consolidation from here to taking all this original consolidation as well. Or you could see this as the original consolidation, doesn't really matter. Then we have accumulation 1 here, accumulation 2, equal lows, equal lows. Yes, didn't take those out, so those are equal lows. So actually a bearish bias. Going to today, actually took 2 trades in the morning as well. Even though we had news today, I was kind of like testing, still like back testing or forward testing in sessions, but we had like terrible price action in the London session. Had one really small loss, which was a should have been a break even stop. But I had my stop at like break even of like where I entered off of like an inversion, right? It was like somewhere of this 3 minute here. Right here. Entered like I should have entered and waited until this candle closed. So like right here. But I entered earlier, so I entered somewhere around here. So then I placed my stop to break even. But I didn't place it at break even at here, but I placed it at break even like this. So I got this small loss. So it's like a really small break even loss. And I got one win, which is like after I got stopped out there, I knew that we were bearish because I order block got disrespected as well. So I took like this here, this 1 minute SIBI, my stop above here, and then target like these equal lows, which should have been these equal lows because these are actual equal lows. So I should have hold there. But I took my TP on these lows, so these 2 lows. Took my TP there, put my stop to break even there, got stopped out of break even like multiple times after a chop, and then displacement all the way lower. But still, London session wasn't the right time to trade because we had high impact news folders. And I think that the best days to trade London on are days where we don't have high impact news folders in or use the high impact news folders. So yeah. But basically what we got here with the CPI wick, we actually took out all these people that were still in short. So we took the buy side there. We're still holding this daily singular for value gap. So if I'm expecting for us to go lower, let's mark this out. Let's take, oh no, the buy side liquidity, I could mark that out. Let's remove that standard deviation, this rejection block. Could remove that as well because as my bias going into today is actually lower. If we still look at like previous week, now our previous week was the accumulation. So we had a neutral accumulation, a second accumulation, and then we had a reversal. So we have a manipulation taking out this sell side liquidity, this my drawn liquidity for this week. So I have a accumulation, manipulation below this low, and then distribution. Because we did take out these equal lows. For most people, this was like the ultimate drawn liquidity. We got displacement after that as well. But what I'm thinking is that we still want to go lower, and all these equal lows, this low resistance liquidity run, the Asian session that we still didn't sweep, that's for me is still indicating that we do want to go lower. So yeah, that market just opened. Hello, all right here. So what I'm really expecting is due to swing to the upside, taking out this resistance here, all this resistance, all these equal highs here. These actually are equal highs. Let's see. Damn. Yeah, alright, so on ES as well, we have low resistance liquidity on ES, so definitely my drawn liquidity is going to be these highs. Or actually, I don't know, these are equal highs here. These are perfectly equal highs. On ES, we have low resistance liquidity, so it's the same. So equal highs there, we're gonna take those. So people are gonna go in long, the supporting resistance traders. And from there, what I basically want to see is I want to see like a small push to the upside. Let's actually see where we have a singular for gap in this price lag. So here to here. So this thing, so this price lag, we do have this SIBI, so it doesn't really go really higher. But we just took out those people, so they're in long. So if you can get like a nice breaker setup, that would be perfect actually. Breaker for value gap, and that will be a standard deviation from let's actually see, or we have a swing high. So this will be a swing high. You could take this as a swing low, swing higher high, anticipating the swing lower low. But this candle has still 3 minutes to close. Hopefully we get like a small push to the upside. Like hopefully this wasn't all it. That will give me more confidence. People will jump in long. Let's look at like the standard deviations. Let's look at the singular for value gap in this entire price lag. So 1 hour. Swing high to swing low. Actually have a value gap right there, but that doesn't matter. Right here. So this will be our singular. So this would be our drawn liquidity for now. So let's look at the standard deviation from there. Alright, so we're getting a big displacement through the upside. Exactly what I want to see actually. But that would be a pretty short Judo swing. But let's actually see if we get like a Ferrari gap overlapping with this. Because then I'll simply just enter on the Ferrari gap. First TP would be the easy equal lows. But this looks textbook. Let's see. Let's see if we create a Ferrari gap with that. Well, we took out the liquidity there. Nice displacement through the downside. But let's actually see. Maybe we can get like another push to the upside. Because I actually want to see the juice swing to be bigger. Yes, it's pretty bullish. We had some space through the downside, but yes, it's still going to the upside. Let's say like this would be our A to B leg. It does line up with the equal lows better there as well. I like this standard deviation if we create a swing low here. Oh wait, it's actually here. Alright, let's look. So we had a lot of high impact news today. We had core retail sales, Empire State Index retail sales, and unemployment claims. Bullish for bullish for NQNES, bullish for NQNES, bearish for NQNES, bearish for NQNES. And at 8:30 it was like an incisive candle. Alright. Looks like we're just about to take out those equal lows without getting an entry. I don't like taking like this breaker only. Don't really like that. But there was like no real setup here. Yeah, no real setup here. Maybe on like a second start, but not really. We took out the equal lows, exactly what I was saying. See what else we have. -2, -2.5 standard deviation, still have that. That's also my drawn liquidity. So as you see here, so we have a singular for value gap on the 30-minute here. So we just stepped into that. We could displace like higher, but still I want to see those equal lows here. Let's actually look on yes. Yeah, yes, it's just And no resistance liquidity one as well. No real entry in this. Maybe if this candle closes, you have like a 2-minute SIBI. So we could enter off of that. Just simply off of that right there. Looks like we're just placing a lot lower. Looks good though. Yeah, so the this morning took like a small loss here because of that, and like a small win off of that. Still down on the account, but I just know one good trade, and there's like no problem. I'm not stressing and not anything. So let's look. Yeah, this is actually still bullish. Let's look here. Maybe wanna tap inside of this SIBI again. There's actually unicorn overlapping with this, so we have a high, low, higher, high unicorn. Could mark this out, but when the target is hit, then it's no longer valid, of course. So much displacement to your downside. That's beautiful. Alright, let's see. Let's create our limit order. Looks good for 0.5% entry. No other. There's a SIBI in here. But that's fine. See what we do with it. Don't really like this. Take it off because we have a singular SIBI in here. So I'm just making it another singular SIBI, but we already have a singular SIBI, so I'm not forcing this leg to get like another SIBI entry. So if we displace through this, then this would be our singular for value gap, singular inversion for value gap. Singular for value gap disrespect. So it would be an inversion for value gap. Sorry. So yeah, let's see. So wouldn't be tapped in. Look, now we disrespected this. So yeah, let's see what we do. Create another for value gap there. So I'm just waiting until we get tapped into this unicorn here. And then I'm waiting for, do we get a reaction? Yeah, let's see. So let's say we get a reaction off of this unicorn here, and then close below a bullish candle. Then that would be our bearish order block, and now enter on the change in the state of delivery. So let's look after we get tapped in, or we would be tapped in. Alright, we would be tapped in now. Let's see. Let's see if we want to go higher than that. Looks like a nice reaction for now. Alright. A close below here will be my change in the state of delivery. Nice. Yeah, I'm entering on this. Alright, didn't get a close below, but still got a nice reaction off of that unicorn. Stop is just above this candle here, but this would be actually the stop placement here. Just giving it some room. Straight on this until this candle closes. Let's actually move this here. Actually take actually take 10 off here. All right. Oh wait. No, this candle actually is here. So once we got a close below this candle here, they would be our change in the state of delivery. So it's just above mean threshold now, so it's fine. Here. Up here. Let's mark it out like this. There. Wait, what's this line? Equal those. Volume imbalance there. Could mark that out as well. Here. Displays over it, but it's fine. Where am I leaving a run or two? Probably use standard deviation. Probably will even let a runner go to this low resistance liquidity, maybe even there. Let's actually see. Alright, TP it there. Take off FT -2, -2/5 standard deviation. So take off, wait, did we hit it? Not really yet. So I'll wait and I'll take off 6 more there. I just put my stop to break even already. Take off 6 here. See what we do with this. See if this entire candle closes this this bearish candle here. Sib here. Oh, alright. So we got stop that break even. So that's fine. It's got a small win here. Up again. So let's just wait. That's just a retracement. But I still think we could displace lower actually. So let's wait. This is the first 50 minutes of market open. So let's wait and see if we don't want to have this as our Judas swing, because we did take out 2 equal lows. We do have this big BISI here. But still we do have all this low resistance liquidity here. And then swelled swing low here. This in big imbalance. So I do probably expect a pretty big retracement. Let's see what we do. Small little win. Alright, let's actually see where was my original stop. It was above here, so let's actually see if the break even saved me. So we got all this displacement through the downside on NQ, but ES is still bullish. So let's see. So standard deviation from this A to B leg, -1 standard deviation doesn't really come in line with anything. Comes in line perfectly with the equalize that we already took, but -2, -2.5 standard deviation comes in line with the order block mean threshold. And then a buy side liquidity above that, above A33. It was just after news. Let's just see what we do. Could take out maybe this buy side liquidity still. We have a lot of time to close this daily candle. Let's see if we get like a unicorn with this. Stop would have been here. See if this would have saved me. That stop probably would have. So it's nice to have my stop to break even. Let's see where ES is reaching for. So on ES we also still have that buy side liquidity. So this could have been our Judas swing. Let's actually wait. And then we could disrespect this daily Sibi, or just take out this, where even was it? This buy side liquidity on ES. Because ES is actually closer than NQ. And then on ES we take out this high, and then on NQ we don't take out this high, and then react off this order block mean threshold. That could be a thing. Alright, let's see. Looks like I wouldn't be stopped out yet. But I wouldn't hold. Wouldn't try to do that. Take out the reason swing high. That could have been a turtle soup. Let's look at the standard deviation from there. Let's take it off the B to C leg. Don't really have anything overlapping with that. So I'll probably just wait until market wants to tell us what we want to do. Also wait for 10 a.m. to open. So we could anticipate another Judas swing on there. But yeah, what I want to see this week is actually this low. So yeah, we could retrace on ES there. On NQ we could retrace off of like the mean threshold or the order block again. And then still I want to see lower. Looks like we're gonna looks like we're gonna consolidate a bit. Didn't create any right gap here. Close this again, so let's actually see what we do with it. Let's remove the standard deviation. Let's keep looking at ES. ES actually moving better. Yeah, alright. Let's actually see here on an or on ES. Looks like NQ wants to consolidate a bit. ES actually still has equal highs. And then like a lower resistance liquidity on top of there. Then buy side liquidity above of there. So ES is actually looking really good. It's actually looking really nice. So ES looks like we're gonna take out this here on ES. So as you can see, get this to a singular for a gap. This would be our inversion for a gap. Here to here, we inverse this, get like a retracement. The people that actually went inside of here. Or we actually have a free gap there. Right here. Oh, still, then they wouldn't be stopped out. They wouldn't have been stopped out. So we got this inversion here, yield this inversion. Got like a retracement back inside of this imbalance here. Got displacement back to the upside, also creating a unicorn here. Standard deviation of the A to B leg. -1 standard deviation doesn't really line up by anything. -1 standard deviation does line up with this now. -2 -5 standard deviation lines up with this buy side liquidity. Then we got another BISI here. Tap inside of that BISI. Displacement back to the upside. Tap these equal highs here. Let's say we get a SIB here, then actually would not be a crazy entry. If you do get a BIS here. That is not crazy. It's not bad. This is not bad. Really tight stop, but it allows us to have this tight stop because this is our order block. 2 minutes we don't have anything, so this actually yeah, market allows us that. So this is our BISI. All right, quick stop out. Crazy. All right, created more equal highs here. Oh, actually, damn. That's so bad. Look, it's not an order block. Crazy. Crazy. All right. Served loss there. This basically downside again. Would have been stopped out there. Let's wait on. Let's wait until 10 a.m. Yeah, dumb loss there. Big loss as well. Damn. That's fine. Yeah, I don't know what ES is doing now. So order block there. Don't have an order block there, so this would have been a 2-minute order block, or it still is actually. Disrespected now. It's created more equal highs, but it's fine because we did already take out this high here on NQ. But now, yeah, I don't know. Just what the hell? Don't know where this is coming from, but let's actually see. If 10 a.m. opens and we get displacement through the upside, then that's what would have been good, or would be good. Then ES doesn't want to go any higher. But yeah, it's weird that we do create equal highs now on ES. So I will probably go back to that. So yeah, here and here, yeah, on ES we have perfectly equal highs. So that's just engineered buy side liquidity again. This breaker from here to here, A to B leg. Doesn't really line up with anything though. Let's just wait until 10 a.m. opens. Perfectly equal highs there. Yeah, crazy. Just created more equal highs on ES. So that's just engineered buy side liquidity. So let's see what we do with this. ES could maybe take out those highs. Maybe on NQ we want to take out these highs. and then big SMT. But let's see. All right. We have our singular gap here, 1 hour. Still hold this. So 3 minutes. Yeah, the 950 1010 macro. Crazy. Just keep looking at ES. Got like a singular overlay gap. Let's wait for 10 a.m. Yeah, crazy. I always get stopped out with like, I get swept with like a tick. Two more minutes for 10 a.m. Fifteen seconds. Five more seconds. Let's see. Just make this a singular gap. Singular overlay gap. Let's see it be bullish. Sib here. Let's see big push to the upside actually. Create a big manipulation. Let's look at the 4 hour. It's looking like this now. I would say that we probably want to fill actually more of this candle here. So it's actually going to be pretty big retrace to balance this stuff. So I would say actually we go to here. This should be here. I actually want to see like a big CB somewhere, but standard deviation. Now I know that's the final standard deviation. If -2, -2.5 doesn't line up with anything, -4, almost perfect. -4 there, no. Yeah, -4 here, it's almost perfect. That could be more targets. I actually want to see big like manipulation opening. This is definitely looking like a bearish candle. A really big bearish candle. Right here, but I don't expect this candle to be just now this was already manipulation, then we go all the way down. I do want to see us rebalance some more of this here. I want to see us rebalance more of that. So that's why this SIB is actually pretty high. It's also a singular one. Let's remove this, make it more clean. Let's remove this. Let's remove that. Also still inside of this singular BISI. So from here we could see, of course, displacement back to the upside again. And that would be the just the fill of the this SIBI, or that would be manipulation of the 4-hour candle. I'm waiting for that. Equilibrium is here. Does line up with the SIBI. Could be like a really nice entry actually if you have it like right here. Target is low resistance liquidity. Sell side there. But yeah, let's see. Market just chopping around right now. Maybe could create like accumulation here. Manipulation, of course. Then distribution. That would be perfect. Looks like ES wants to reverse or go through this SIB here. That would be good. So yeah, I'm targeting these equalize, so I'm probably gonna take this one if we do inverse it. Because we do have perfectly equal highs, that's just engineering past side liquidity to me. But yeah, we didn't inverse it yet. Ooh, big move to the downside. Not really liking that. Standard deviation. Oof. Big displacement. Let's say we're wrong. Let's hope we're not getting caught inside of this due to swing of the 4-hour. Yeah, I don't really want to see us have this as our manipulation. Like, that's just too small to me, actually. It's like we're gonna inverse this. Target would be here. See where we close. Low resistance. Target would be here. Let's see. Alright, didn't get a close above. So still waiting. I would hold until we get this high. All right. This is the actual Judy swing, which I wanted to see. But we need to go higher still. Let's wait for a retracement. I'm not entering on that. That's just too big of a rig. Yeah, it's too much in premium of this range. I'll get like an entry on here. All right. There's the buy side. Not touching this. Just waiting on for this candle. See if we're not on the wrong side of the market now. You know, if you have to stay CB. But yeah, that's what I was like kind of saying, that we want to go balance more of this. And then from there, we want to go lower. So let's see if we close up this gap. Hopefully we do. Then we have a singular CB here. Just make this a singular CB. Then this would be a nice setup. Yes, still the side of that CB. That 4-minute CB. Still have equal highs on yes as well. But get a close above. Probably a nice entry on yes. Targeting equal highs. That's just close below. Too big of a stop for me right there. See if he hasn't just run. Just look at NQ. Looks like it's gonna be nice, nice one here. Targeting that CB. Would anticipate this to be breakaway gap. Let's make this somewhere a singular gap. That would be here. Stop would be there then. Give this some space somewhere around there. 1 to 2. Yeah, NQ is just bumping to the upside, going for those equal highs. Oops. Let's see. I would say that we want to rebalance some of this. Or some of this lag, I mean. Will be 0.5% risk because it still has those equal highs. We have a singular SAB on the 15-minute here. Let's see. Not getting close above there. So let's look at the retracement where you want to maybe want to disrespect this order block here. Then fill up this balance. We still do have a singular Ferrari gap here. Singular BIS here. So from there we could find we could look for the reaction. Oops. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's looking good. We gotta close above. Gotta set a buy limit there. You've got a retracement back into this inversion Ferrari gap because I'm not entering on this. That's just it isn't in a premium of this range, but don't like it. So I'm waiting if we get like a retracement. Target would go here. Just low resistance liquidity there. Really bullish. Just setting a limit order on here. See if we get a tap into there. It doesn't matter if we don't get close above. We just opened here, so we're not getting like an open here and this big push to the upside and then go all the way lower. Don't really expect that. Let's see if we can get that retracement. If we actually, let's see. This has 1 minute to close. This has 2 minutes to close. If we get like a 2-minute close, then I'll move my stop to here because we have a singular BIS here, and all those smaller BISs are breakaway gaps. Looks like yes, it's also just running to that high, which is this high here, or no, it's this high. Oh no. Oh, it's also this high. Maybe you can get it SMT as well, actually. Like this high. Because yes, it's closer. Alright, so it's kind of closed. Still 1 more minute, otherwise I'll move my stop to here, because that would be a safe stop as well. 1 more minute for this to close, and this will be our singular BISI, sorry. And it is actually good because this would be our 10 a.m. to the swing open. Let's see where 10 a.m. opened. 10 a.m. opened here. There, small push to the upside, went lower. Or it could be this lower. This would be our manipulation. Then we get push really high, but I'm not really looking for that. So wait, and this candle will close here. The stop would be there. 0.5% risk. Singular BISI moves to here. So we give this BISI some space. Yes, it's close to those equal highs. I'll take my limit order off of there. Looks good. Didn't react off -2, -2.5 standard deviation here. Didn't react off -2, -2.5 standard deviation here. Let's look at like this breaker here. So actually there isn't really one. Maybe here. -2.5 is there. Yeah, we do have -2, -2.5 there, but let's see. So it created more equalize on yes again. So we're getting that retracement down now. Where are we getting that retracement off? This order block. So I disrespected that order block mean threshold. So now I'm definitely sure that we want to take out this high here at least. And then this would be our low resistance liquidity from these highs. But I'll keep an eye on yes as well. But because once EQS takes out those equal highs, then we have an SMT there. So it looks like we're close to taking out those equal highs. Yeah, yes is at this high. We just created equal highs with the yes here. Yeah, alright. Yes took those. So I'm taking this off. So we could expect like an SMT here off of these two, because we do have one now. Even though we didn't tap in this Sibi yet, or here. So did you get an edge on those? We do have an SMT now. Actually looking at this now because we have a singular here. So that 30 minute one wouldn't really matter. No, so the 5 minute one already gives a singular one here. It displays over this, but so this would be our rebalance. So I don't even expect us to go to the 50 minute one now. I'll create it again, more equal highs on yes. We can get like a singular one here. Here to here. Inversion there. This is still the manipulation leg, even though this isn't breaker. It is an SMT breaker. So standard deviation off of there could work. -2, -2.5 standard deviation comes aligned perfectly with this low resistance liquidity, which I was anticipating as well. So I'll mark this out here. There. Like equal lows there. I'll mark it out as equal lows. Alright, let's see. It did create more equal highs on yes, so I'm still waiting though. But yeah, let's see. So if you look at this like a breaker, then this would be A, B, C, D, because we have an SMT, D, and then oh wait, A, B, C. Oh wait, A, B. Wait, what? Wait, what am I? Oh yeah, wait. Of course, A, B, this would be the failed C, and then this would be the singular one. Waiting with the entry though, because we have equal highs on the S, of course. It could have been engineered by side liquidity because we have big displacement after that. So let's see actually. The setup doesn't look bad. Could just be engineered by side liquidity. Let's actually see here. Or is it this high? So this high, we have equalized with the S there. So I don't really like this play yet. So hopefully we respect this here. Then get small displacement to the upside again for ES to take out those equal highs. And then from there we want to disrespect it again and then go lower. Hopefully we get that. Alright, looks like on ES we have a singular Sibby as well that we could disrespect. Oh, nice. Big displacement through the upside now. Yeah, it's looking good. Oh, beautiful. Look at this CS. Yeah, Sibby here, fully displaced through there. People were thinking like, oh damn, this resistance didn't hold. Then we got big displacement through the downside. They were thinking, yes, this is the resistance that holds now. They have their stop above here, and now we're gonna take those people out again. Alright, so this is what I want to see. Hopefully we don't actually, or we could take out this high, but I don't want to see us take out this high, so we still have an SMT there. See if you can get like a small retracement inside of that inversion before I get there. Oh, jeez. Nice. Alright, creating more equal highs though. But we will take out those people. It's N24. It's good. Maybe you can get like a small entry here. We did inverse this though. So we could take out this higher. Let's see on ES. Let's see those equal highs get taken out, and then from there it's just over. From there it's over. From there we go to sell side. I'll get like a crazy risk to reward on this. Alright, nice. Yes, went through those. So equal highs got swept. So that would be the turtle soup, I would say. But I'm not entering on this. And this would be the turtle soup on here, but I want to see more actual sweep of the equal highs, because this is ES now. Look, just got a few ticks above here. So I want to see actual sweep. Maybe it goes to like this first standard deviation, which is like, I don't even know what this is, but it actually is a breaker. But let's see it go to the standard deviation, and from there it just dumps. And then I'll get like a crazy risk reward on this. Watch. Hopefully this SMT holds here. And then also on here we would have an SMT. Singular BISI here. Let's say we disrespect that, and then that would be a nice entry. Sub goes there, but react off that. We hold it now as a BISI. So hopefully we take out more of those equal highs, so we get more displacement above here. Or maybe this is all it, but we'll see what happens. Look, we respect this now, so hopefully ES reacts off of that as well. Let's look at ES for like a singular one. Volume imbalance, so yeah, we have a busy here. But hopefully we just take out this high again. Alright, but I will enter on this. Hopefully you wait for a small retracement, because I'm entering on this. I know ES, or I know, I don't know. But yeah, let's wait. Let's wait for a small retracement. I'm still entering off with this like inversion. If we take out this low, I don't care. Alright, let's see. Hopefully small retracement. Because I'm holding all the way to that 2.2 minus 2 minus 2.5 standard deviation. Actually, yes, actually looks better to short, but I don't really know the targets there. Alright, we took out this low, so entering on this Sibi here will be the unicorn as well. Let's get like a small retracement, and then we're good. Right there, 1 to 12. I'm expecting that as well. Limit order there, and then we wait. Let's wait. Alright, singular for AEP's not there. Oh, it's still there. So yeah, entry is safe. Alright, got tapped into there. Alright, let's see it. Pretty big rejection block here. Alright, it's only 2 hour. Rejection block there. Let's see if this is the biggest rejection block. It is. So -1 standard deviation comes in line with this rejection block high. So that would be a partial as well. So take 10 off here, 5 off here, and let like 2 run there. Or 3. Let's look here. Probably will create a busy here. Hopefully inverse that. Or maybe close it all. That would be even better. Yeah, we will. All right, good. So I'll take off 4 here. Let's see it. Actually, could hold all the way here. Maybe I will do. Leave like one contract running like all the way there. I probably will actually. Stop is beautiful there. Break even. Would be beautiful there. Break even. No, but let's see the reaction. Let's see if my stop would have been safe if I had it here. Let's keep an eye on that. Alright, beautiful. Alright, so yes, that was our turtle soup. So we took out the equal highs hit there, got small reaction to the downside. Support and resistance traders were thinking that we had equal highs here, so this would be the resistance. Then we take out the resistance there again, turtle soup this, and then big displacement from there. So this would have been the turtle soup. There. That's beautiful. Yeah, from here it's just waiting. Yeah, looks like now that this would have been safe here actually. It would have been a 1 at 20. But now it's like a 1 at 12 if I hold it to there. Which I... Oh wait. Is that... Yeah, it's a low... Oh no, it isn't. Let's say I hold it even longer. This would be a 1 to 26. What would this be? 1 to 44. What the hell? Alright, let's see. Yeah, everything is aligning here, so pretty confident with this. Let's say I got stopped out here, or this trade fails, then I'll wait for a PM session. But I'm not expecting this to fail. Well, let's look at the Romans Cup leaderboard. ICT is actually doing really good. ICT is somewhere. Wait, where is this YouTube? Here. Community here. Alright, look here. This is a dormant account, or wait, I zoom in. Oh wait, what? Yeah. Oh, what? So he's up 20%. Damn. Dip into the unicorn again. Let's look at the leaderboard. Futures. So it's 40%. I don't know who this is, but 40% there. I think that's the only leaderboard where he would be. Or maybe these two are the same. Maybe he would be on here as well. Don't know why this is higher than first quarter. I don't know. Alright, let's see. So again, get tapped into that unicorn. Again, rejecting off that. Still, this stop would have been safe if I had it here. But I'm just keeping it above this, or like above this CB, give it some room. Could be like right here. Like when it's like on this candle. Not even 0.50 or like 0.5%. But let's see, actually, it's taking way too long. Looks like we're accumulating inside of this, so we could add like a manipulation above here and then distribution to the downside. But let's see. So we always have the macro running. Oops, wrong one. Alright, so we're above this high now. So let's see if this actually would hold. Alright, you would have been gone there. Alright, so let's see. It's 1050, right? Yeah, 1050 is the macro. So yeah, not a good placement to have your stop there. So that's good. Alright, so just like what I said, this could be like manipulation, but we have to wait. Doesn't look good though. Still inside of that unicorn. Alright, let's see. Looks good. But I don't want to see us. I actually don't want to see this come back above here, because this is our manipulation leg. So we could already place it here though. Do have equal highs there. Let's look at ES. Yes, we actually don't have equal highs, so. Or actually do have equal highs there as well. So let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Those equal highs don't look those. I do have an SMT though with ES on this and this high. On ES we actually have equal highs. Let me show. Or equal highs. Yeah, perfectly equal highs actually. Here. The SMT would be here. But let's see. Let's wait for that at 1050 to 1110 macro. So now I know I'm never gonna place it here. Even though setup does look really good, I'm never placing it like we're here. Or like if it's a really, really big unicorn actually, then maybe sometimes, but most of the time I actually have it above here. But let's see. I want to see this placement to the downside though. Damn, so much shop. Let's wait for that micro. Maybe we can get another SMT with this. So let's look at these equal highs. Let's actually see. Graded more equal highs on ES now. Alright, so NQ went above these. So we actually have another SMT if this holds though. So let me show. So here to here. You have 4 equal highs on ES now, but NQ already swept those, so those on ES are invalid. But this is like the last time I want to see this displacement now. It does look good now though. Let's see. Alright, so we didn't have the manipulation on this candle, so hopefully this is like a big manipulation candle and then there's a drop. Alright, just like that, yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Alright, that's it. 3 more minutes for the macro to open. And then after that it's just yeah, hold until the TPs. I'll leave like running, so we have 13 here, and then I'll take off another 3 here, right there. Alright, that's beautiful. Oh, this candle actually isn't. Let's wait. So much shop though. Nice. Jeez. Let's look at a yes. Alright, 1 more minute, so this is the final candle before the macro opens. We did actually create equal highs here, so don't like those. Yeah, let's see. $30 seconds. Let's see. Alright, got stop there. Macro opens though. But stop would have been safe, so let's see. Take off these. So back here. So we have another SMT here. With this and this, yeah. Alright, let's see. Can get like a mark structure shift on here. I'll just straight on enter on those. On that. Because the macro just opened. But let's see what we do. Don't know why the price action is this bad. Really don't know. All these SMTs. Yeah, crazy though. Did respect this unicorn though. Close above it there. So let's see if this stop wouldn't been safe, and then stop maybe would have maybe it had to be here. We'll see. Do this order block though. Don't know why market is this choppy. It's all just engineered sell side liquidity, but don't know. Thought it was the right time, but really choppy price action. Don't know why. Still, we would have the account until 970. Sign 970, yeah. Let's see. Alright, looks like we're bullish. But I'll leave this and I'll be back at the PM session. Where do you want to go to? Don't know. We'll see in PM. Do have this imbalance here, but senior 1 would be here, so I don't really care about that. Or like this entire leg, if you look at it from there. Doesn't really matter though. Because in this leg already we have a singular one and we don't have any other one, so yeah, any 5 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. Let's wait. Yeah, I'll be back in PM. Alright, yo, I'm looking at this now, and we got the low resistance liquidity build up. Let's say my stop was above the high, then I would have been like one tick of being stopped out, but look, we got the, I don't even know, 4 minutes after we got stopped out, we got the, or 6 minutes, I don't even know. You got the TP hit, and yeah, I was thinking where do we gonna go? I don't see anything to the upside. So I was clueless. So that's why I wanted to see in the PM session. I was watching a live stream of someone, so I don't have to look at the charts myself. So it isn't my chart like that. But yeah, what I'm thinking is now the -2, -2.5 standard deviation of this low resistance liquidity. That's just still my target, and I'm not entering any any on this. Just waiting until the PM session. Maybe something is there, but from here, first TP. Probably my stop would be a break even. So let's see if my stop would be here would be a break even. So from there, let's see if I get stopped out of break even or these other TPs get hit as well. But just wanted to show this really. Yeah. Alright, yo, so I'm in this trade right now. Took one other trade as well. That was a turtle soup trade, which was we swept this low here, and I figured that we wanted to go to these equal highs. So I saw this candle reject back up, and that's when I entered turtle soup here. So I anticipated this to be turtle soup, so got a really nice entry there. Got displacement through the upside, also power of 3 with this accumulation. We had the manipulation of the turtle soup and then distribution, and then ES already took the high there, so I put my stop to break even, and I got stopped out of break even. And now, oh damn, this wick. So now this trade, as soon as we saw this SMT, we got a huge displacement through the downside, and I entered off of this unicorn, which is which is right here. So we have like a breaker here, we have a breaker here, we have a breaker here. So this is a unicorn overlapping with this value gap. So that's where I entered again. My stop was above this high, so came really close to my stop loss, but stop was fine. So indicated to get stop there, so it was fine. Got displacement, and then we still didn't inverse this. We did have this huge manipulation, but I figured we wanted to inverse this. So as soon as I saw this displacement to the downside, I was thinking that this was a 2022 model. So we swept the buy side here, displaced through that market structure shift, and then we had a value gap with this. So I added even 2 contracts in here, moved my stop to here. So I'm still risking 0.5%. So I figured we wanted to inverse this, but we still didn't. We still could. I wanted to see this get inversed. So these 2 consecutive candles would be the change in the state of delivery, which would be it still is now, but mean threshold of the change in the state of delivery, or like the order block, is right here. So we're tapping that now. So if we get stopped out here, then my whole bias is wrong and I won't trade it for the whole entire day again. But we did get this huge displacement to the downside, which is like crazy, and still respecting that 1 minute for value gap. And on the ES as well, yeah, we had the SMT there. And then on ES, you can see that we had an SMT with this high as well, which I said, like, ES is going to probably sweep that high, and NQ is probably not going to. And then I figured that ES wanted to go a bit higher, so we tapped into this rejection block, which is actually the daily rejection block. We tapped it here, and then this was all in still in lunch hour, or this was in lunch hour. And then I wanted to see this high get swept again, so we did that on ES. Then we again got this big displacement, but what I all really cared about was getting tapped into this rejection block, and I still want to see this rejection to the downside. We are displacing to the upside. Probably will get stopped out. Yeah, we did get stopped out. All right, so I'm trading for the entire day after this. So we're back at where we started today. But what I figured is we had this huge accumulation of this low resistance liquidity. So I want to see this be our manipulation. This is our accumulation. This is our manipulation. And I wanted to see distribution as well. -4 standard deviation lined up with this. So if this was going to hit, I'm going to want to keep this 4 standard deviation on. But looks like we didn't. And there's no reason for me to go short after this, because we just placed through this, and it's just horrible price action. Probably a whole consolidation day today, or we do get a big move after this. But I'm not trading this price action. It's really bad. We should have had the reaction, but we still didn't. So I'm not trading for the day anymore. I'll just see what market does. But yeah, we're back at break even, like where we started this day. Maybe I can see it even. So I started balance before was 9.8967, so we're close. We're like minus 0.1% or something down on a day, but it's fine. So I figured this was engineered liquidity for later on in Q, but we have an SMT there, so yeah, this was like for later, but this is for later, but maybe you want to tap it now, I don't even know. But yeah, if we do want to go back to the mean threshold, doesn't really make sense to me, because we're already had an SMT there. So it doesn't make sense for me that we go there. So yeah, I wanted to see the displacement like right now. And then also inversing this 30-minute one. But this is just horrible price action. Like the kill zone's already started. There's nothing really. We could look actually, because this is where the actual stop would be. Like when this high is taken out, then it's like over. So maybe there's like still a small chance. Wait, we do get an inverse here. All right, let's see if we inverse this. Then I'm entering off of this, and that's the last entry we have. We'll play pretty safe, 0.25% risk. And then targeting still those equal lows, because I have no idea where we're going to go, and most of the time then I'm actually right with the bias. But we'll see what we do. So I don't see a singular for value gap in this time frame, so I'm taking the last one, which is here. So this is going to be my inversion. Let's see. So this is like the last opportunity, really. I wanted to see this act as a breakaway gap, but we tapped to like a tick and then got the displacement lower. But like with unicorns, I'm not risking it with unicorns. Let's say with unicorns, then my entry is here, and even though we got big displacement, I'm still gonna take my stop loss up here because that's the most safest one. I have really no clue where my stop loss is the best for unicorns. Also in last session, I got stopped out there because my stop was too tight, but the unicorn still worked. So I should have had my stop there. Yeah, that's all really. So let's see what we do with this. If this high gets stopped, then I'm basically done for today. I know I said that with when I got stopped out there, but when this high is taken out, then I really have no clue where I want to go. So let's see with this. Looks like we're splacing up again. Let's remove this. Yeah, I'm still wanting to see these lows, which on Friday is just gonna be the expansion. But yeah, we'll see what happens, and if maybe I don't take trade, maybe I will. If we take out this high, then it's over. But yeah, all right, you. So quick summary of today. So took a lot of trades actually. Last one was actually a loss. Had like a win, turtle soup. I don't know if I even recorded everything. But had like a few losses, few wins. Let's do the executions on here. Beginning of the day, this was a win. Loss here. Got stopped out at I don't even know, but my stop would have been here. This was a unicorn setup. Stop should have been there, and then got displacement after that, so got stopped there. Then got stopped here. Was too early. Was a break-even trade. This one. This one was like a tap into an inversion for a gap, like a back retracement. We got that there, so this was a win. Then this here, I turtle soup this low, 5-minute busy. We took out this low, this plays quickly back inside of range. I figured this was a turtle soup, so I entered on here. Got stopped at break even because I had my TP at these equal highs, even though we had an SMT. I was anticipating these equal highs because we had a displacement after this, so I put my stop to break even under this low, but we got stop to break even there. Then later today, or later after this trade, when we got this high taken, I was still anticipating this original accumulation low there, but we never got it, and I'll explain later why. My bias was wrong, but entered inside of this unicorn here, got tapped there, entered there on this Sibi, and quickly got stopped out of that. So pretty choppy action as well. The reason for this is because on Monday we have a bank holiday, and sometimes most of the time on Friday you're gonna notice that we're gonna be pretty choppy, and you could notice that on Thursday as well. I wouldn't say Wednesday. Wednesday is totally fine. Tuesday is totally fine. Monday is fine as well. But mostly on Thursday and Friday the action is like slowing down a bit. AM session was a bit choppy as well. PM session was a bit choppy, and then later on in later in the session left like a 3. We got a huge displacement after that, reaching up inside of this order block high, which was the actual bias. And why I was short here, or why my bias was bearish. Let's get this here. Why my bias was bearish it was because of this original consolidation. I had it marked out like this, and I figured that these were gonna be equal lows and low resistance liquidity. So we're gonna take out this, and then we could retrace up from there. But this is low resistance liquidity, so I'm anticipating this as well. But apparently we got this here. We never took out this low. So this rejection block held. So it's actually like a 4-hour rejection block here. It's a 4-hour rejection block, so we took out that inside of the rejection block, quickly displays up there, and we never got a retrace back there, so this is all balanced. So next time when I have like an original consolidation marked out, I should have it like ICT says, like you should have had it at the low, and then to a point where we get like more of like a retest of that. So like right here, maybe someone mark it out like here, because I see like we tap it there, we tap it there, we tap it here, we tap it there as well. So this could be like original accumulation. Doesn't really matter though, but yeah, I should have known that This is the original accumulation, even though this is a low or low resistance liquidity. Like this is all balanced here. We do have some. We do have this PD array. Wait, where is the singular one? So on the singular one, that's the 6 hour. So yeah, this would, yeah, I don't know. I thought this was low resistance liquidity, but apparently it's not. If it's it is respected though, because we didn't reach for the constant encroachment even, but we respected the constant encroachment. We didn't went through that, so yeah, we're still bullish from there, and the original accumulation would have just been these equal lows. So yeah, I just need to remember that. And yeah, it was a market maker sell model. But yeah, after that, like I flipped my buys. I wanted to, when I got stopped out there, I was waiting for market just to prove me where market actually wants to go. So now I see that we swept this order block high. So now I know that we're actually bullish, and that that I need to remember for next time that this is the end of the market maker sell model. That just proves it to me. So yeah, where are we going now? Also, when we're bullish, we don't have to sweep London low. We don't have to sweep this low because we're bullish. We're pretty bullish, so that's why. And this order block, this did help, of course. We had some reaction off of that. But yeah, basically what happened. So recap of today. Let's remove this. Let's keep it simple now on my chart. -2, -2.5 standard deviation. Reacted off of there from the original accumulation. Swept buys at there, had CPI news, big displacement through the downside, ending this market maker sell model, sweeping these lows, big displacement through the upside, had a breaker with this, breaker for V gap as well, with this Asian session. Also what I said in like, I don't know, previous video I think it was, we had a singular for V gap. Wait, actually do we? Yeah, we do. So singular or two for V gaps here. If you get like a singular for V gap, then this breaker, oh wait, it actually is. Oh wait, where was it? Oh yeah, well, yeah, still. This 45 minute is now a singular one, so we get the tap there. I don't know where I marked it out, only 50 minute though. Oh yeah, because we have a breaker here, so I want to see that breaker. So only 45 minute we didn't have that breaker there, and only 50 minute I wanted to see that breaker there. So I should actually put a standard deviation on there. A -2, -2.5 standard deviation, that's why I wanted this there. Look at that -0.5 standard deviation. Let's first look at this. So the -2, -2.5 or -2.5 standard deviation comes in line with this order block low. So that was perfect for me. That's why I wanted to see this 50 minute and not this 45 minute, because on the 45 minute we didn't have a breaker there. So I didn't anticipate this to be a breaker then, because if you look at this like here, didn't see it yet. Most of the time I do pick up that pretty easily, but I didn't notice this yet, that this was a breaker as well. But yeah, if we get a standard deviation on here from the ADB leg, where was it? Or the BDC leg. Look at that -0.5 standard deviation. Was perfect as well if you get like a BDC leg standard deviation off of here. Look at that. That -2, -2.5 or -2.5 standard deviation, and here the -0.5 standard deviation comes in line with this order block low. Look at that reaction. That's just perfect. But now I know that this standard deviation is actually perfect because it came in line with this order block low. So react off of here. So this is my standard deviation going into upcoming week and even Friday. So -1 standard deviation doesn't really, or actually it does. Let me hold on. So we're about to close this candle, so I can use that. So let's do this here, rejection block. Let's look at the biggest time frame rejection block. Looks like it is on the 2-day. Yeah, it is. All right, so let's look at that. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, that's just so perfect. Well, all right, let's mark this out here. All right, -0.5 standard deviation comes in line with this order block low. React off there, had a small reaction. Filled up a, what did we fill up here? So 9:30 opening there. Singular for value gap. We have 2 here inside of this leg. We have 1 here, we have 1 there. Let's make it singular one. Wait, where was it? Only 30 minute? Alright, only 45 minute. Only 1 hour. Yeah, only 1 hour. Alright. So only 1 hour. Wait, actually, is it? Wait. Wait, do we have like a... Wait. Wait, I'm getting already wrecked off of here. Yeah, if you look at like a singular one, maybe I'm on a too big of time frame. 50 minutes, 30 minutes inside of this leg. I'm looking now, right? 45 minutes. We have 2 here. 1 hour or 1 hour. Yeah, all right. So 1 hour. Swing low to swing high. Inside of this range. This is, maybe I have to look at this again actually. But yeah, swing low to swing high. Singular for value gap. It's actually weird to me. What is this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I marked this out good. So yeah, it doesn't really align with anything. You could say that, but it would have been like the 4 hour where you could find like a retracement where there's like a singular one. But why we wanted to go here, because this is actually a market maker sell model inside of its own. So let's go to like the 5 minutes so you can see it. So we have like smart money reverse off of here. And then we have like original consolidation right here. And then consolidation 1, space through the upside. Where was it actually? It was here, right? Yeah, it was here. So we do have these equal lows, which I marked out this morning. You could rent the video. I almost didn't even remember, but I had equal lows marked out here. So we always want to hunt those. So this is our original consolidation, consolidation 2, and then smart money reverse from here, but 9:30 due to swing, or 8:30 due to swing actually. So yeah, when do due to swings happen? 8:30, 9:30, 10 a.m., 1:30, 14. So those are our Judas swings. 8:30 we get our Judas swing here. There, buy side liquidity. Our Judas swing. Let's mark that out as our, let's put a standard deviation on there. Let's say this was our -1 standard deviation. What is that? Or like the A to B leg. A to B leg's perfect there. All right, so A to B leg from here to here. -1 standard deviation comes in line with this equal lows. -2, -2.5 standard deviation. Doesn't really line in it with anything, but it did react off there. And this is our BISI. So our BISI there, reacted off the BISI there. Inverse this actually. Should have seen that. So if we had like in our mind that we were still bullish, then from here, look for a singular one. Only 50 minutes. That's here. Where do we react off here? Inversion, tap constant encroachment perfectly. I can see that already, but we inverse this here, create even more buy side liquidity, create these equal highs. Actually, really nice setup. If you see like, when the bias is correct and you see like that we're bullish, like right here, even though we had like an SMT there, you still would think that we're bullish. Of course, it doesn't matter if there is an SMT there. If you're bullish, then you only look at bearish or bullish SMTs, which are at the lows, so you never really look at these. But still, if you're bullish and your bias is correct and you see that we leave equal highs, you go lower, you tap the inversion, and from there it's just straight up into the TP. So it's actually pretty clean price action in the AM, or clean. This is not really that clean, but also retrace back inside of this singular one. So in the singular one, so yeah, fell to this place here. So reacted off this 30-minute singular one, because it's singular one. You have a 50-minute here, we have a 50-minute gap here. So only 30-minute one is a singular one, singular BISI. So we tap it there and we felt that this place higher, so we just create low resistance liquidity, but also expect us to like take out that equal high there, but we just created more liquidity, so that's why. Also on a bank holiday, or next week we have a bank holiday, you could already see that on Thursday. But we tap the inversion there, we take out the order block high, and then from here, if we go back to the standard deviation, so let's you could just leave that there. Leave that there. Order block there, so we disrespected the order block. And then from here, this standard deviation was right. Reacted off it there. This -1 standard deviation comes in line with this rejection block. So I see like a speed bump from there as well. And then from there, where do we want to go? -2, -2.5 standard deviation, which comes in line, which I said at the beginning of the week, which was gonna be wait, where is this actually template? I don't even know what it is, but what I said beginning of the week, I expect actually this week to be a manipulation week. So we already got that at the beginning of the week, right there, Tuesday actually. So Monday, Tuesday manipulation, and then now we're getting a retracement already. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution, that's what I'm expecting. Where do I expect the distribution to go? -2, -2.5 standard deviation. Doesn't mean we have to retrace just like this. Doesn't mean we have to react off of there and go lower. We could go to -2, -2.5 standard deviation. I do expect like a reversal or like a retracement off of that, but we could go higher after that as well. Because I was expecting, because of DXY, that we're actually going to be pretty bullish. Look at that turtle soup actually, which I said as well at the beginning of the week. But that's basically it. Yeah, that was basically it for today. Friday there's news again. I also journaled, of course, all the trades that I made today. And then tomorrow. Oh wait. Oh, that's for upcoming week. Yeah, I was thinking we had news. So tomorrow is a trading day as well. We're going in with a bullish bias. And then for tomorrow, where does my bias go? Well, to this rejection block really, and from there like a bit bearish, like a small retracement, small speed bump. But yeah, we could take out this high on Friday. Don't know for sure. We gotta look, but probably will expect us to take out this high though. But we'll see. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, see you probably on Friday. Bye.